Hello tech lovers, welcome you to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving us a secret side hustle you should all jump into right now, or you can start preparing to jump into and start your business in 2024. Okay? And this business, I would say, is my number one on my list. It's not common and people shy away from it. The company I'm going to be exposing to you soon, the company is going to be doing literally everything for you. Even if you don't have a website, you can put the store on their site with a token, or you create a Shopify account or an e-commerce website so that you can link it to it and start making sales. You can literally make between $2,000 to $10,000 if you put in the work you're meant to put in to start making your money in year 2024. Don't go by, don't let the year go by and you're not starting a business. You can actually have multiple side hustles and you can add this to this. Do you want to know the type of business I want to talk about? Then keep watching this video. Subscribe, like this video, and share to your loved ones that would love to start a business right now or in 2024. Okay? So without any further ado, let's just dive straight to the main tutorials for today. Thank you. Also, the business I'm about to show you shortly is that you don't need any inventory, you don't need to ship to any company, you don't need to bother about shipping, and you don't need to think about selecting the product. Okay, all you need to do is just to create or to create your brand. Okay, and the company is going to sort you out, it's going to sort your customers out, and it depends on you. You can either sell this on your social media handles, you can create like a creative videos on your social media handles like TikTok, Instagram, depending on you, or you do a paid ad to get traffic for people to buy your products. Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you the product. The platform I want to introduce to you is called Shoply Fu. The link is going to be in the description below. Okay, and this video is not a sponsored ad. I saw it and I said I should bring it to us. Someone might be interested in starting their own business, private business right now, or planning to start and launch in 2024. Okay, so as you can see, it's called Shoply Fu, and start your own private label business without the also give your followers a product they would want to order again and again. Risk free, quick and simple with on demand fulfillment. And as you can see, some big people, influencers are already doing this. This is a fitness brand selling 10 plus products, and this also growing a collagen brand and promoting its signature for coffee. Okay, so I'll just put us through all this, and as you can see, this person says own and grow your own brand. Okay, let's open it and let's see what this person has for. As I was saying, and it also says improve the lives of your followers. Okay, choose from 50 plus high quality. It's also FDA compliance supplements with scientific proven health benefits. This is a certified website, and you can sell on Shopify, TikTok, or Instagram. Okay, and Supplyful silently takes care of the product, packaging, and shipping for you. No upfront fee. So this is totally free. Are you going to jump on it? Then we succeed only if you succeed. Okay, Shoplyful charges a production fee only after someone buys from you. This is how you make your money. Someone buys from you, like for example, for $30 and minus our production fee, which is $12, and your profit is going to be $18. Okay. So if you have, how many followers on do you have? Let's say 250,000 followers, right? And based on customers average, you're going to be going home with $10,000 per month. Isn't this interesting? Are you finding this so interesting for you? Even if you are not a fitness person, if you don't have experience in this, you can actually check out check out this video or check out their website, and you can create your brand and start selling all these supplements. You can you can give your name a coffee name, a good brand, and you start your labeling. You have to create your labeling. And as you can see, this is FDA compliant, nutritionist approved products your followers will love. These are amazing products you're going to your followers will love, and you can see that they have like 500 5-star. So this is a very good business for us in 2024, and you can actually start now. We have just few months to Christmas, and you can start now and even start selling, and you gift your loved ones. And let's read some reviews. I have successfully published products to my Shopify store, all done on mobile without Wi-Fi, and doing it all on its take on the lake beach. The day has been a success. First time using this app, connected very easily, and the supporting video within the app, which are there to help you develop the product perfectly, are very helpful indeed. All all in all, brilliant 5-star. So this company, they are really making cool money, and you can launch your products and start making money in 2024. So these are the likely questions they're going to be asking, frequent asked question, but I won't be going into that right now. And as you can see, they are FDA registered. So you should be very 100% comfortable that this is a secured site for you to start your number one side hustle business right now. So now let me log in into my account, and let me show you the products. Let me show you all the products. Okay. So from categories, they have different categories. They have vitamins and minerals, specialty supplements, proteins and blends, natural extracts, food and beverages, and acid and blend. Okay, and let's look at the capsules. Some are capsules, some are capsules, some are beans, stripes, gummies, powder, and drops. Okay, and who are your audience? If you want to do some paid ads, who are your audience you want to sell this to? You can sell to it benefit kids health, men's health, women's health, and seniors. Okay, and purpose: body health, sports, weight control, mental health, and beauty. So this is literally an everyday product, okay? And these are the diaries and lifestyle. It has hormone free, antibiotic free. Just go through the website. You're going to have fun with it. Okay. So now, for example, let's check this Astra. This, sorry about the pronunciation, it's called with black pepper, right? Natural extract. So, as you can see, this is an ancient medicine app with powerful health benefits originating from Asia that is known as the adaptocin, helping people calm anxiety and stress. So this is for anxiety and stress, support overall health, aids in hormone regulation. It helps normalize energy level, combat the effect of stress. So if you have anxiety and stress, and you can see this is the shipping price, that's $4.5, and suggested retail price is $28. It's left for you. You can decide to sell for $30, but after the company remove their profits and all that, all your profit, your potential profit is $21.00. Isn't this amazing? So please, let's jump on these products, and I'm going to be showing you next in my next video how you are going to create this labeling and upload it. I'm going to do an exercise for you. Okay. So now, as you can see, if you check again, let's check the T. As you can see, if I'm touching it, can you see? All you need to do is just to create your label. Just to create your label. And let's scroll down. These are gummies. These are gummies. Some products are comes with mushrooms and all naturals. Okay. We have beetroots. If you know that this is very good for the body also. It's a vitamin supplement. It's created with organic beetroots, and it's all naturals and not GMO. Aids in muscle recovery, improve cardiovascular health, improve blood flow, and reduce blood pressures. So this, you can sell this, and though the profit margin is low, you can decide to sell for $20, but the suggested retaining price is $16.77. So your price is your own. You can add, you can reduce depending on the type of profit you want, but don't just make sure that the money is not too expensive. okay, because of your competitors and their description of how you're going to use it. So now let me show you some coffee. We have coffee too. You can start a coffee business too with this. Yeah, you can start a coffee business with this, and you can just pick like 5 different products on this platform, and you upload. This is our coffee. This coffee is actually, as you can see, the coffee is actually coffee, right? And you can create a label like this, and the profit margin is going to wow you. This helps with is delicious and powerful coffee, antiphatic, increase athletic performance, memory and cognitions. So the shipping cost is four dollars 50. Suggested price for this product is $51, and your profit is $33. So you can create a coffee shop, and create your label. So I hope this is interesting for us. We have another coffee that I want to show you. So you can see this is another coffee that is amazing. This is another coffee that is amazing, and it does the same work also, but the profit margin is slow. You can decide to increase your price to $20, or you can sell to $25, so that your profit margin can go up. Okay, so that's that about this business. So finally, let me just show you round. These are all the products. All you just need to do, and you design with Canva. Okay, these are collagens, gummies for adults. Okay, and you know that collagens are very good and healthy for everybody. Collagens gummy are healthy alternative to traditional sugar gummies. Our collagen gummies are delicious while promoting healthy joints, bones, and skin. They are packed with vitamin C to create a powerful combination. So it helps with joints and bone health, improve cardiovascular health, boost muscle mass, and healthy skin. Okay, so this is it. You gain $20. So you just try to pick the ones that you like. You can pick like 4 or 5 products or 6 products, and you connect to your Shopify account or your WooCommerce account. No, there's no WooCommerce account. You put in your Shopify account, or you use this. You use their account here. So now you can get a stock template, though it says Rockfell your supplement business here. So this is the price they're going to charge you for them to design your Shopify store for you. And if you need help with this, you can contact me, book a one-on-one section with me. I'm a website developer. I can help you. All you need to do is show me your design, and I'm going to help you connect to your store. So we've come to the end of this video. So tech lovers, I hope you enjoyed the video. And are you going to start your side hustle business right now? I want you to know that there's no quick rich money anywhere. You have to put in the work to see the results. And for you to start your business, or for you to start your brand, you need to think, you need to do whatever you love, whatever you have passion for. And remember, do not give up. Okay? The sky is the limit. Start now, and let me know in the comment section if you're going to be starting this side hustle. Is this something that interests you? And ask your question down there. I'm going to be there to answer all your questions. And please do not forget to check my description box to sign up for your one-on-one with me. If you need a solution to create your website, then get in touch with me. Let's beautify your online business. Okay? Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye for now. So comfortable.